not trapped, keep to the greetings.
Hey.
What's up?
I'm kind of hungry.
You're in luck.
I usually am not in luck, so that's refreshing.
Today is the day I'm going to try to get ice cream from this vending machine again.
Whenever I'm in this area, I think about that failed attempt.
The film reportedly cost $250 million to make, and the initial return.
For those of you who didn't see that video, maybe you can post it up like in here for them to click on.
Oh, I would put that at the end because nobody cares about that mess when they're watching a video. They're like, I don't want to go there.
What they're gonna have to hope for on the Lone Ranger.
If I want to go there, why would I want to? If I'm here, why would I want to go there? When will then be now? Soon.
You kind of sound like those kids in the AT&T commercials.
In its first 5 days, a record for an animated film.
Hey, it's not my fault you don't know things. With your mango. You're kind of like an old man with your shirt tucked into your shorts like that.
Cut you.
Will you stop doing that?
So
What's
much
wrong with
fun.
you?
Ice cream and knives. That's what life's all about, sir. Okay, being that it's actually summer now and not the middle of November or January or whatever, I think we might have a good chance at actually getting some ice cream. What do you think the odds are?
Well, I would hope pretty good.
Are you a gambling man?
No. I don't have enough money to be a gambling man.
You don't have to bet with money. You just bet with honor.
With honor?
Yep.
Should do a Rudy Grills episode. But you have to like grill at like a Home Depot or a Lowe's right in front of the store. Just bring some meat and try to grill.
What the heck is that?
And see if they try to stop you.
Scribblers. Look at the scribbler.
You can write in it and eat it.
Good, weird, good, 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 weird, good, bad, bad, awful, good, awesome. That's taking it. It's taking it. It's looking good.
Do you ever say that in the bedroom?
Alright, now be sure to get up close and personal on this lovely window because that's where the magic happens.
There's too much shadow. I mean, that shadow, the glare.
I got your glare right here, son. Well, stand there.
Stand up there.
Yes. Awesome. Oh, it opens. And then a magical robotic suction cup hand deploys and slurps up my SpongeBob iced delight very slowly. What?
Did you just get cheated?
I did. Okay, it's going again. It's going again.
So is this just a fail video about how this thing can't suck?
I'm confused.
Oh, it's trying.
So, I think it's ever going to deploy an ice cream.
I don't think it is. At least we have this video proof. It's done.
Alright.
Did it give you a refund?
Yep, it did.
And it says bye-bye.
Alright, I'm gonna give this one more chance.
How many quarters is it?
I don't know.
You don't know how many you're putting in?
I'm concentrating here. I really want my
2,
SpongeBob, but it's not gonna happen.
3, 4.
Okay, here we go again. Maybe I'll have better luck with scribblers. Okay, so I can't get my freaking awesome SpongeBob ice cream, but I can get a freaking scribbler. I'm not a happy camper. Wait a freaking year, and I'm so disappointed. Okay, so today we have scribblers and not delicious SpongeBob ice cream.
That's disappointing.
The good news is there's 2 in every package.
Oh.
That does not look appetizing at all. Why is there like a center?
Flavor center.
Sherbety. Kind of. I kind of want to cry because I really wanted a SpongeBob.
I want to see the gumball eyes.
Hey, there's a joke on here.
Yeah, it's called You Didn't Get What You Wanted.
It says, how do animals blend into the desert
I don't know how.
with their camouflage?